I have shown you 3 different ways that you can add a pin onto your boards. The first way I showed you was to simply go onto your Pinterest newsfeed, find something that you like, select repin, and pin it that way. But I also showed you that there are 2 other ways to pin something of interest. You can click on Add a Pin, type in the URL address, and then locate it that way. Or you can upload an image of something that you already have on your computer. Now, I know that it doesn't seem possible, but there actually is an even easier way for you to pin while you're browsing on the internet. Because let's face it, as great as Pinterest is, we're not always on Pinterest all the time. So I'm going to show you how to add a Pin It button onto your browser so that no matter where you are, you can pin things of interest onto your boards without having to go back to Pinterest. Super simple. Pinterest.com, go onto your main page, make sure you're on the main page. Now we're going to look in the About tab. The About tab is going to give us some information, but what I want to look at is the Pin It button tab. So select Pin It button, and you're going to see some goodies that Pinterest offers. And the first goodie that they offer is the Pin It button. All you have to do is take your mouse, hold it down, drag the Pin It button up to your toolbar, and there it sits. No installation needed. It automatically goes on there. And now what you need to do is you can go out and grab images from anywhere out on the internet without having to come back to Pinterest. So let me show you an example. If I'm on funbrain.com and I just happened to come across this website and thought, wow, what a great site it is, I can definitely use this with my kids, I want to pin this and save this for later. All I have to do now is go up to the top, select the Pin It, and it's going to bring me to some options for Pinterest. Now don't forget, Pinterest is a visual corkboard, so it needs to have a picture for you to use. So notice how it brings up a picture that I can use, and all I have to do is pin it. Pin it, brings me to that form I'm familiar with. This is for school, has an information already placed inside the box. I'm going to pin it. It's going to tell me that was a success, and if you want to see your pin, you can. It will take you right back to Pinterest. You can tweet your pin if you're on Twitter, or it will simply disappear and you can continue going on with your search. I hope that you find this to be a really great tool to use because it's just going to allow you to always think about Pinterest and how to save any of those great ideas that you come across online. Thanks for stopping by again. I hope you found this helpful.